Happy New Year everyone! It's a brand new exciting year, and for the very first video of the year, I'm going to share with you how to start my favorite business, which is the drop servicing business in the year 2021. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm May, and on this channel, I aim to help online entrepreneurs to grow their online business and create massive online income. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you my exact 5 steps on how you can start your drop servicing business in the year 2021. Many of you must be wondering, what is drop servicing? So let me explain briefly what drop servicing is. Drop servicing is all about selling online services like logo design, graphic design, website design, video editing services to your clients, but the job will be outsourced. So you do not need to do the job yourself. So what you need to do is just to promote these services to your customers. If you want a more detailed definition of drop servicing, I have a video for you. You can find the video over here. Drop servicing is very similar to doing drop shipping. It's just that you are selling services instead of selling physical products. Doing drop servicing is much more simplified as compared to drop shipping because you do not need any delivery. Basically, the whole transactions are handled online. So if you are interested to learn how you can start a drop servicing business in the year 2021, make sure you stick till the end because I will share with you all the 5 steps for you to get started. Step number 1 is to find the online service to sell. This is a very crucial step because we want to find the right online service and the services which are in demand. So for this step, you need to do some market research. Try to do a keyword research on the service that you want to promote. For example, if you want to promote graphic design services, do a quick keyword research to find out how many searches are there per month. As a start, try to aim for your local customer. So for example, I'm currently residing in Singapore and I will be looking at keywords like graphic design services in Singapore. If there are many people searching for this keyword, it means that this service is worth a try. Here is one pro tip for you. Try to find a service which you are a little experience or a little knowledge of. This way, it is easier for you to get started and also answer your clients' inquiries. You do not need to have any specific skills to start doing drop servicing business. However, if you have a little knowledge on that service, then it will be much more easier for you to start this business. Maybe you have tried engaging a freelancer to do your own website and you have a little knowledge on website development. You can totally promote this service to your client. Another way for you to find online service to sell is to determine a target market. When I first started, I targeted the property agent because I know most of them. And when I know the target market well, I will eventually know what their needs are. So for property agents, most of them need video services as well as website development. So I just need to promote these 2 services to all the property agents. So after you have found a service to sell, the step number 2 is to find freelancer. So at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that drop servicing involves promoting of online services and then outsource the job to a freelancer. So this step number 2 is to look for a reliable freelancer. There are a few websites that I like to source for my freelancer. The very first platform that I like to source for freelancers are Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and Freelancer.com. Here's another pro tip for you. Try to look for several freelancers of the same service to work with. I have created a video on how you should hire a good freelancer. I will leave a link over here. Step number 3 is to price the service. This step is pretty simple. All you need to do is to do a quick search on how much are the local agencies charging for the services. You can also search around the online platforms to see how much are other competitors selling for the specific services. Compare the market price with the prices that your freelancer is offering. Make sure that you are profitable. Most of the time, it is going to be pretty profitable and you get at least a 50% of profit. When I first started doing drop servicing, my very first service that I promote was video services, specifically video editing services. And I found a freelancer on Fiverr.com and he charged me $20 for an editing service of less than 3 minutes. I did a quick research on Singapore market, how much are people selling these services, and I found out that the range is between $100 to $200. So for my service, I priced it at $97, and not many people are promoting this service at this price. My video services was selling like hotcakes. Now, you have the price, you have the service, and you have the freelancer. Now it's the time for you to test market. So step number 4 is to do a test marketing. Put your online services to sell on online marketplaces. This is a perfect place for you to test out the products, to test out how sellable are your services. When you are first starting doing job servicing, try to lower the price a little bit, since the startup cost is very low and you do not need to pay the freelancer before accepting any job. So the cost of starting up is very low. And most of the online marketplaces charge really very low price. For example, if you put your services to sell on Etsy.com, per listing is only 20 cents, and Etsy will only charge you after you sold your online service. After you have gotten some sales, then it is time for you to take the step number 5, which is to set up the business officially. For step number 5, you need to think this business as a long-term sustainable business because it has already generated revenue for your business. Continue promoting the services on these online marketplaces. On the other hand, you need to build this business and scale up your job servicing business. At this point, you need to do a lot of planning. To grow this business, the first thing you need to do is to have your own website. This way you can serve more clients, your client can trust you more, and you can even get recurring clients. The second thing you need to do is to set up all your social media accounts for that business. So basically, you need to build a brand for your job servicing business so everybody knows you. Starting a job servicing business is not difficult at all, and it costs you very low capital. Scaling your job servicing business and making it more sustainable is another challenge. I have a complete job servicing course, the Ultimate Job Servicing Course 2.0. I have taken half of last year to improve this course, and many of my students have successfully earned a full-time income after learning from my course. Some of my students even quit their full-time job and do this job servicing full-time. If you are interested to start and grow this job servicing business and make this your full-time income, then make sure that you check my course out. I will leave a link down in the description box below. Do let me know if you have any questions about my video today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!